and welcome to today's video. I hope that you're doing amazing. Today is Saturday and it's the morning. I'm having my family over because I have my family over almost every weekend, but my apartment is kind of messy. It's always messy, but like whatever. It's messy again. It's not like that messy. Or is it? I don't know, but whatever. I have to clean before they get here. Last night, I went out, and I don't usually go out like ever, but I went out for someone's birthday, and I really hate drinking, literally, because I hate the way that it tastes. Like, I can't. Like, I'm repulsed by it. I don't know why. I just like, it makes my whole body just want to like throw up. Especially like shots. I literally like, I physically cannot take a shot. I don't know why. I guess I never learned how to, but earlier I used to like take shots and like, I don't know how to like down it. So like, I usually just like kind of like take a sip. I try to like down it, but like, I just can't do it the right way. So I just like, I kind of like take a really big sip. And then when I can feel it go down my throat, because you know, it's like kind of like tingly, like you can feel it like go down, especially the ones that are like hot. I don't know what they're called, but like some types of alcohol, like they feel like warm in your body when they go down. Those ones, like when I can feel it go down my throat into my belly, like those ones, I am throwing up. Like, I hate it. Anyways, I didn't drink, not because like I'm a loser, okay? Just because like I hate the way it tastes. And I don't know. I feel like when I was 19 and like 20, I went through like my little like phase. It wasn't really like a phase. It wasn't like a party phase or anything like that. But I kind of went through like a little bit of time where I went out more often and I like drank to like get drunk. Like that was the point. I kind of did that and like that was enough for me. Like I had that moment. I had, you know, those times. And like, I'm kind of over it and I don't want to do it anymore. I don't want to do it. So yeah, anyways. I did go out. Okay. I don't even know why I'm telling you this, but I'm tired. Okay, I'm so tired. I went to bed at like 2, which like for me is ridiculously late. Okay, I usually go to bed at like 10. It's okay. I can like feel like my under eye just being like heavy. Anyways, okay, welcome to today's video. I'm gonna clean now, like I usually do. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, so probably something boring, but hopefully it's a little interesting. A little. Anyways, my family is coming in like an hour, so I need to clean up. And then you'll see. I don't have plans. Make sure that you like this video if you like it. Hopefully it's like likable, hopefully. And make sure to subscribe if you're not. I am literally like in shock of like how many subscribers I have. I'm so like, oh my gosh. I don't know. I'm in shock. Cause I feel like not that long ago I reached 100K, which is like freaking insane. And then now I'm like almost at 130, which is, it's just like insane to me. So anyways, subscribe if you want to. Let's get on with the video so that I don't just stand here and talk to you. Today we're listening to Green Day, and then we're also gonna listen to Nickelback because, okay, I'm not like that much into like that type of music. I'm kind of like I'm not that much into it, but like some of the songs, like I just can't. They are just like make me feel like another type of way. Like I love it. I love when people sound like when guys sing and they sound like I love that. I love that. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but like, I don't know, I just love the way that he sings. I just love it. It's just a scratch in my head. And so yeah, anyways, that's what I'm listening to if you even cared. Theo is literally my little helper with everything that I do, and it's so cute. I love him. He's adorable. I started to use these when I do the dishes, and it literally has changed my life. Like, I love these. Why have I not been using them? It just, I don't know. Something about these, I don't know. They make everything better. Let's do this and clean this and put it in the dishwasher and then clean some of it over there. Okay, so now I have to vacuum really fast, and then I have to get ready because I'm kind of in a rush. So let's vacuum. Okay, so my mom is about to be here, so I'm kind of in a rush because I still have to clean my bedroom. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna be back later after my family is gone. So I will see you later. Okay, so I decided that I'm gonna go for a run. It's kind of rainy, but whatever. And it's 0 degrees out, so it's like not that cold, but I feel like I'm still gonna be cold because I'm always cold. So I'm a little bit stressed about going on runs, but I want to get back into running. I started running in like October, and then I stopped in November because I got like really overwhelmed with school and just like life, and everything like just fell apart when it came to running. So I just like completely stopped, but I want to get back into it, so I'm trying. The longest that I've ever ran is 15K, which was really cool, and I've run like 10K a few times. My time used to be so good, or like not like, I mean, not like that amazing, but like for me and for doing it for like such like short time, I felt like it was so good. When I started running, I was like stuck at like a seven. What? You can't do that. When I started running, I was stuck at like a 7-minute pace, and I couldn't get lower. And then I finally got lower, and I was like at like a 6:30, 6:20, which was like crazy to me. And I wanted to be like in the 5s. Like that's like my ultimate goal is to be in the 5s. And my ultimate goal is to run like a marathon at some point. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go for a run. I think, I don't know. And hopefully I'm not cold. I don't think I will be. I'll probably like end up being too hot. My favorite part about running, like this is the thing. When I started, like after I stopped running in November, I would be in my car listening to music, and I would like, a song would come on that I would listen to when I ran, and I would get the biggest feeling of like, I would just miss it like so much. Like I would miss it so much because it's like such a good feeling sometimes when you're running and you're listening to like really good songs and it's just like you're on a roll and it's just like the best feeling ever. And I remember missing that so much. Like I've never missed something that much, like physical activity wise. Like I've never missed going to the gym or like anything like that. Like it's never been like, I miss doing that. Like running, I really like, I don't know, something about it. It just feels so freaking good. Especially when you're listening to, like, there are some songs that are just, I don't know, they do something to me when I'm running. I just feel like amazing. So I'm excited. For me, like, it's kind of like getting like out there that like kind of stresses me out and like I'm feeling like I'm kind of dreading. But then like once I'm out, I'm kind of feeling it and I feel pretty good. Unless I'm not. Like unless I didn't eat well, or sometimes I have a really bad knee and low-key I feel like I have a bad hip, but I don't know. Anyways, unless I'm like sore and something is like hurting. But anyways, let's go for a run. And then I don't know what I'll do after, but I think that today I usually listen to just like a playlist. I really like listening to Kanye and Jay-Z. When I'm running, I swear, like it puts me on like another level. Like my favorite song to run to is No Church in the Wild. And I think her name is M.I.A. Is that her name? And Paper Planes is also such a good freaking running song. I would always put it like at the end of my runs to like finish, like have like a good finish. But yeah, I think today I might listen to 21 Pilots because I used to be super into 21 Pilots when I was like in high school. And I feel like they might be good for running. So I'm gonna try that. And if not, I'll just resort back to the normal songs. But yeah, okay, let's go. I'm like trying to avoid it. That's why I'm talking to you so much, because I'm trying to like not go, but I have to, so let's go. Okay, I'm about 2K in and it's nice. It's nice. And running in the rain is nice, so we're good. Okay, we're halfway, so we're turning around. And now we're going back. I'm doing a 7, so, oh my god. I'm getting a little tired, but it's okay. Okay, let's finish it. Okay, last 500 meters-ish. I can't wait to be done. Oh my god. I'm so tired now. Okay, almost done.